bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you're all having a lovely day. Today you will be coming along with me to redecorate, declutter, and organize my desk. I made the mistake of not organizing my desk when I first purchased it, so all of the drawers over here are super messy. And that is an issue for me because I spend the majority of my time at my desk, whether that be editing content or doing schoolwork. So it's really important that I have a space where I'm able to block out everything and really get into my creative mindset. And I feel like I cannot do that when I have a space that's cluttered, because then my mind's cluttered and I can't focus on the task ahead. I want to personalize desktop as well, to have my personality in it and be visually appealing and aesthetically appealing. So I've Pinterested some ideas, so this is kind of Pinterest inspired. I'm gonna go and hit a few stores hoping to find some items that will work. Before we get into it, I would really appreciate it if you guys were to like this video and comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support truly means the world to me. And yeah, let's get into it. This is the before of my desk. It's very boring, so I'm excited to get organized, but this is what the one drawer looks like. I need to fix this drawer. There's no organization whatsoever. I need to look for like files that actually fit the size of this drawer, because right now all of my taxes and everything are in, I don't even know what you'd call these, a filing folder, and they're way too wide for the actual drawer. So I'm going to look for some files that actually fit and hopefully get that all cleaned up. So to start off, I'm just taking my desk apart because I have to go bring it back to the store. I bought this desk not too long ago, but the top of it is broken, so I have to go get that fixed. We were able to fix the drawer. Sydney's with me. So now we're just about to go in the store and pick out some pieces hopefully I'm able to find. I ended up hitting 4 different stores and it has been 5 hours later. I only thought I would be out for like 2 hours, but I haven't been able to find the exact things that I wanted. First store I was in for 2 hours and I couldn't decide, so I only bought one thing from there, but it was this cute little pot and I'm super excited to see what it looks like in the room. I think it will be beautiful. I ended up going into Dollarama. I've been planning on going into Dollarama. I ended up finding a drawer organizer and then this cute little artificial plant, which was a score. I would have rather bought real plants, but right now I feel like I will kill them. So for right now, I'm gonna keep some fake plants in there until it's a bit brighter outside too, so I have more daylight in my bedroom. As you can tell, it's been raining out because my hair is all poofy. Before I go have dinner, I wanted to quickly show you guys exactly what I picked up. So let's start off with planterns. I ended up picking up 3 planterns, one being this funky matte white, and then this other one being this glossy polka dotted white one. This artificial plant is actually really pretty and it was only $3. So even if it doesn't look good, it was only $3. Also from Dollarama, I ended up getting this drawer organizer. I ended up picking up candles. So I got 3 candles, all of them that are soy blends. What I picked up is vanilla coconut. It smells amazing. The container, I like it, it's blue, so against all of the planterns, I think it will be really pretty. This one, it's a pastel pink, and it's, I don't know, it's kind of a funky geometric shaped container. It smells amazing. This blend is coconut mango, and as you can tell, I love coconut. I think it smells really fresh. Lastly, I got this one and I love the holder of it. It's glass, but the candle sits underneath it. I'm not even sure how to explain that, but super cute. And this one smells absolutely amazing too. This one reminds me of summer. I ended up picking up artificial branches and I'm gonna try and make my own plant for each planter tonight. So this is kind of what it looks like. I picked up some green and white ones and then some green with like a little bit of a pinky in it. So and I are going to try and create our own plant, DIY it. That was everything that I ended up picking up for my haul. So I've been everywhere today. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to finish filming this all tonight. So we will see if I can do it. If you've made it this far in the video, comment down below what your favorite type of chocolate is. Mine is currently dark chocolate made out of cocoa. It is delicious. Before signing off, I wanted to say an extra huge thank you to my sister. She helped me today and it was a lot more fun because of it. It was a super long day, but it definitely went by a lot quicker with her, so I am very grateful. On that note, it is super late and I'm going to sign off, so I hope that you all have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you guys here again here on my channel sometime soon.